Next, Mika Nico. Got a question on filing of 1701 of BMBE entity. If in filing of quarterly income tax return for BMBE using 1701Q, there is a resulting net income, the system will automatically compute the income tax although the BMBE entity is tax exempt. How do we resolve this? If you file the quarterly, it will appear in their system that you have a tax liability assuming with net income for the quarter. There is, however, no problem in the case of annual ITR because 1701A has a portion on page 4, which is number 8B, tax exempt under Part 8 tax relief. But this portion, tax relief, is absent in 1701Q. Thank you in advance for your reply. More power. So, maganda yung question ni Meka Nico. Para sa mga individual taxpayers na exempted sa income tax under our BMBE law. So, required ba kayo mag-file ng 1701Q, first, second, third? The answer is no. So, hindi po required mag-file. Kaya nagkakaproblema tayo dito. Na-encounter na po namin yan dito. Hindi po required mag-file ng 1701Q. Yung mga qualified at nag-avail ng income tax exemption under BMBE law. Yung mga self-employed individuals. Okay? Hindi po tayo required mag-file ng 1701Q. Pero required tayo mag-file ng annual ITR natin. Wala po kasing exemption column sa 1701Q. Hindi tayo required mag-file. Besides, meron pong section ng ating tax code na hindi minamandate yung individual taxpayers mag-file ng 1701Q kasi exempted sila sa income tax. Ang required na mag-file ay yung subject sa income tax. Whether zero or may babayaran or negative yung kanilang babayaran kasi sobra. Pero yung mga exempted, wala po. Hindi po tayo required mag-file ng 1701Q. Okay? Maliwanag. Pero required po tayo, whether exempted or subject, sa income tax, sa mga individual taxpayers, required po tayo mag-file ng ating annual ITR.